This FITCAMX 4K dashcam for Honda Ridgeline replaces the factory trim around the rear-view mirror, giving an integrated look that does not block the windshield or require visible wiring. Its ultra-high-definition 2160p recording, wide dynamic range, and fast aperture lens capture sharp detail in daylight and at night, making license plates and road signs easier to read. The plug-and-play design tailored for Honda Ridgeline models from 2017 through 2025 makes installation straightforward for owners who prefer not to modify factory wiring. Built-in Wi-Fi and the companion application let you review clips on your phone and quickly save important footage without removing the memory card. Continuous loop recording combined with an impact-sensing G-sensor helps ensure that everyday driving is captured, while significant incidents are automatically preserved. Sturdy construction, using heat-resistant materials, and the included 64GB memory card make this dashcam feel like a long-term, low-maintenance upgrade for the truck.